Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be unboxing this electric nail drill from Saviland. And with this electric nail drill, it is a portable nail drill. So it doesn't have that base where it has like a turning knob for the speed of the drill. With this one, y'all, when I tell y'all I love this nail drill. I can literally walk around the salon with this drill and do what I have to do with my clients when I'm going back to, back to back or whatever. But yeah, this is definitely a game changer for me. And so with the Saviland packaging, their packaging, I liked it because the way that you guys see the way that the nail drill is just sitting propped in the box, that is just beautiful to me. And so, yeah, we're going to go ahead and see the other goodies that came in the box. And I'm surprised for $22.99, it came with a lot of stuff. Like, I was really surprised because some drills, they are expensive, like around $60, $80, even up to $100. And I did get this from Amazon. So for $22.99, yeah, this is definitely budget friendly. And so it did come with some drill bits as well as some sanding bands. And with these sanding bands, no lie, it feels a bit cheap, but I don't like to waste the resources, so I am going to use it in a way. And then it did come with some with a brush. So the brush is, for like dusting the nail or whatever. And then it came with some cuticle oil and a pen. So a cuticle oil pen. And here is the charger as well as another drill bit. And so since this is a portable charger, sorry y'all, since this is a portable electric nail drill, you have to charge it. So I am going to go ahead and charge it. So I'll be right back. Okay. All right, so we did get her charged up. And so now I am going to go ahead and insert the drill bit to see if it is powerful or not. And so I was just trying to see if I have to twist it and stuff like that to insert it. But yeah, I was surprised. All you have to do is literally push in the drill bit. That's it. And it locks in. And then when you're taking it out, you just pull it out. That's crazy to me. That's why I was saying game changer. Whoever invented this, I salute y'all. Because y'all did y'all big one, honey. Y'all did y'all big one. So yeah, so there is the little port to charge it. And then you have your off button. You have the button to change the speed, which it is 4 different speeds. You have, yeah, 4 different speeds. And then you have the button to turn it on or off. Then the button to change the way that the drill is turning, so you can make it go forward or reverse. And so I was just trying to see. Yeah, I got rid of these nails. But I am going to upload the nail tutorial for these nails that I have on currently. But with the drill, it is very powerful. I'm shocked. When I tell y'all I was shocked, that's crazy. Saviland, and I have to say, Saviland, I've been getting a lot of their, buying a lot of their products because I am a Amazon baby, honey. I love Amazon. So with Saviland, you guys will see that a lot of my videos, I used most of Saviland products. So shout out to them. Yeah, so Saviland on Amazon. I love this drill, okay? I love it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Go get your drill. It's only $22.99. Hurry up and get it before, they up the price, because y'all know supply and demand is a thing. So yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching, and happy holidays.